A very good evening and welcome to this week's market summary with me, Natasha Wairimu. Now let's take things a notch higher. The Nairobi Securities Exchange is a key player in the global markets ecosystem where investors around the world can participate in trading activities. Therefore, understanding global markets can help investors comprehend how economic events and trends in one's country can affect job opportunities, prices of goods and services, overall economic stability in different countries, and for investors in our own country, they can analyze the performance of the companies listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Let's take a look at how the Nairobi Securities Exchange performed in the global markets this year.
Nairobi Securities Exchange is placed in a very interesting position this year relative to other global markets, and particularly the African markets. The Nairobi Securities Exchange, in dollar terms, has had a rough year. It has performed at levels of minus 41% year to date in dollar terms. And when you compare this to other markets in Africa, for instance, the best performing is Egypt, which is at plus 35%. There's been various factors that have driven to this huge negative number. It's mainly lost value due to the downturn of two highly capitalized stocks, that is Safaricom and KCB. These are companies that are taking on capital-intensive initiatives this year that are having one-off hits on their profitability. And another thing that has also contributed is the performance of the Kenya shilling against the dollar. This year, the Kenya shilling has depreciated quite strongly against the dollar, which has also contributed to that negative performance. However, there is a silver lining that we see. The advantage here is, or the bright side is, we expect that once the cycle resumes and normalcy returns, we should have the Nairobi Securities Exchange recording one of the best dollar term returns on the continent next year but one. It's a cyclic.
Global markets have played a significant role in shaping the performance of different financial landscapes in the world. So join me next week as we take a look at how these markets performed year to date. My name is Natasha Wairimu. Thank you for joining us this night.